stop, so gonna get on the ride. Twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Home moves with me where I roam. It's in every dream I make my own. I'm never alone. I know that every day will always bring me something new. Every day will bring me something new.
Getting near. I think it wants to get fed. Earlier there were like 7 of them. This is the Black Lake. These are campsites. That's Robert, brother Robert. This is our camp. Our neighbor. There's only very few camping this fall. This cold fall. Hey you. Now I'm scared.
You want to check that trail? You want to go back down? Yes, sure. All right, sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Yes. No, he's always been that. Yeah, he's on the bike. It was more when he was puppy. He would get bored running and just, you can tell sometimes he would turn around and just run at you and attack my foot. It's playtime. Look, there's quick cars. Be careful on the cars. You're not telling that because they don't like bike people. Oh, yeah, actually. Yeah, back that way. This probably goes down to the other. Oh, yeah. Woodward Fire. Yeah. Yeah, they don't have one. Oh, because they prefer to store it outside.
I think down here. It's down there. Oh, this is nice.
Open. That's actually what gave it away. That door was open when they were walking by.
This is not just like our white one, but it is actually cool.
Yes.
The upstairs?
Extras?
Yeah, upstairs. Oh, water is nice. Oh, yeah. So somebody just use this. Yeah, it's better than the
Yeah?
sink there.
Hot or warm? Is it on a timer? The push button?
Yeah, it's fine. Some people put like really comfortable on the coffee.
Yeah.
But some jobs. That's the main board, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there is a
Yeah,
everything.
that's big. There's a grill, and fire pit, deck with a couple of Adriatic chairs. Quite a few Adriatic chairs.
You can look over there. Maybe picnic area. This is nice. Nice little beach. This is Onaway State Park. It's very nice state park. You see, Mark is all the way there. Yeah, little beach, honey. Yes, it's little beach. Look, beach.
When you're feeling low and thinking, where am I gonna go from here? And you look around, you're sinking. Just look for me, I'll be right there. Ooh, for you. Ooh, you can count on me when times get hard. You don't have to be afraid. I'll be right there.
Now go way down river.
Yeah.
Way down river.
Well, that's definitely bigger. Bigger than we thought.
You can count on me. I'll be right there. I'll pick you up. Ooh, I got you. Only sunny days ahead. Only sunny days.
Ocqueoc Falls. We've been here before, maybe 6 years ago. Nice. Toby. a good angle. Toby is not happy.
Baby, you're my angel. I'll do anything to make you smile. With you, I'm in heaven. When you kiss me, I turn to a star.
Toby did not like it then.
But he doesn't care about this one at all.
And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew it's
Now that tiny blonde girl's got it. She lives on a farm and has a man over there.
I live in a dream.
Did you see the Amish family?
No, yeah.
They
That's all.
explains the horses and carriages.
Now let me take a look.
And the thing is, that one of the choir drones. Can you imagine him around a racing drone? Or the one at St. Marie? Army Corps of Engineers up there have themselves a huge hexacopter, and it is loud. If you're in St. Marie and they're flying it, you know it is. He's a puppy. He's okay. He's very good.
Come on, come on. Here. He said it was okay. Say our doggy though. Aww. Kind of like ours.
Border town.
Thank you.
This is made her day.
Wanna go see some water? No, we're gonna go this way. Follow Dad.
This way. That's what you need.
Have a nice day.
You good? You good? You good? That's this one. Okay. Yeah, we'll get it started. Good boy. Good boy.
Happy will be. Lift up your voice. You still have a choice. Sing.
Than our deck.
That probably costs more than our deck.
It's the road. Scenic view of the road. Let's make that.
It's Lake Huron. It's Hammond Bay.
Is that ship?
Yeah, there's a freighter out there.
Reminds me of us we went to with Sherry.
At Muskegon State Park. But this actually has a view.
We covered by
Deep inside your soul, there is still a song.
Yeah, you're silhouetted.
You have to come over and get a tour of the trailer now.
Do
The man cave. You can see the puppy in there sleeping. If he's sleeping. He won't be sleeping when we walk in, but I'm sure that doesn't make noises that freaks him out, hopefully. I'll warn you, I didn't clean it or nothing. It's just as is. Probably need some light, huh? So here's the puppy in his bed. Yeah, you got one of the pillows yesterday. And I said, what would you look for? Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, he's hungry. Time for his dinner. Here's a stocked refrigerator. What we got left is here.
Nice blue light.
Yeah, it makes your lettuce look brown.
You sleep on this side?
No, I sleep over here.
You sleep over there?
Yeah, there. And then that's just like the puppy play area.
Say hi. Can you say hi to the camera? Like, what's this?
Hi.
Yeah. Taking a picture, pretty boy.
All right, I'll be back in a minute. We'll give you some food. Give you your dinner.
smells popcorn. Yeah.
Popcorn, the old-fashioned way.
harmony. And if you sing with me, ain't nothing gonna stop us now. Imagine how happy we'll be. Lift up your voice, you still have a choice. Sing with me. The sweetest melody ever heard. Come on, sing with me. Come on, sing with me. And if you sing with me, ain't nothing gonna stop us now. Imagine how happy we'll be. Lift up your voice, you still have a choice. Come on, sing with me. Feel the rhythm of your beating heart. Let the sound of love set you free. Come on, sing with me. Hear the beauty, let it lift you up. Be healed by the sweet harmony. And if you sing with me, ain't nothing gonna stop us now. Imagine how happy we'll be. Lift up your voice.